What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Daniel D, and today I got an unboxing video for y'all. So y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. Y'all keep it locked. So look, YouTube, I just ordered the Wave Slime shampoo from my Fluffy Puff. It came in today. We're gonna unbox it to see how it's looking. So I ordered this on May 4th and it came today, which is May 14th. So it took 10 days. That's 2020, by the way. So, all right, here we go. We got the Fluffy Puff Wave Slime Moisturizing Shampoo Foam, Bazoo, Sunflower, and Jojoba. I don't even know how to pronounce that, but whatever.
It's a hoba, you idiot.
It's a 4-ounce bottle. Okay. So we got this. Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh.
You clumsy fool, you.
It comes with this card right here. I guess it shows what they have. The Regal 7 Growth Oil, the Lavish Bar, and the Twisted Frosting. And it's the Fluffy Way. So we got that. And then it has my receipt. So that's what I ordered. So let's open it up real quick. Okay. That's how it's looking. Ooh, it's got a citrusy smell to it. And Fluff did her thing on that thing. That thing is filled to the brim. All the way to the brim. So yeah, I will be making a video of me using this for my wash and style. And if you guys want to purchase this, I'll leave her links in the description down below. And yeah, so this is the unboxing right here for that. So y'all stay tuned for that wash and style video. I'm gonna bring that to y'all, of me using that and doing certain methods with it. So y'all keep it locked and we gonna get to that. So y'all stay tuned for the next video. It's your boy Daniel D, and I'm out. Peace.